The future of garment manufacturing isn't just about machines, humans, or automation, it's about AI as a smart assistant. The future of garment manufacturing isn't just about robots or people or even pure automation, it's about AI stepping in as your smartest new assistant. Imagine walking into a factory where humans and machines work together, powered by AI. It's not sci-fi anymore. Today, AI is the brains behind reducing costs and keeping production lines running smoothly. It watches everything in real time, flagging issues before they become problems, faster detection of defects? Check. Tools for smarter fabric cutting so there's less waste? Absolutely. Tools for smarter fabric cutting, predictive planning to keep orders on track? AI's got that too. Factories are becoming leaner, greener, and way more responsive, all thanks to a digital assistant that never sleeps. And with global brands demanding not just speed, but also quality and real responsibility, AI is helping factories deliver on every front without cutting corners, and real accountability. Better working conditions, smarter resource use, and manager the power to run a next-level factory. Here's the thing, AI isn't about replacing people. It's about lifting up the entire team, giving every operator and manager the power to run a next-level factory. So, the future of fashion? It's not just automated, it's intelligent, and it's already here.